Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. In 2016, I rebuilt a copy of a rocking chair that's been in my family at least 40 years, probably more. And I've always wanted to rebuild that rocking chair ever since I was pretty much a teenager, just to kind of make one of my own and to keep in my immediate family. And that's what I did in 2016. It was a big project for me. I never built a chair before, I never built a rocking chair before. And there was a lot of challenges and a lot of things I learned along the way. And that's kind of what this video was. Now, the original version of this video was, I think it was like 13 videos of me building the rocking chair. And I did go pretty well in depth. I did a lot of voiceovers. I did a lot of explaining of what I was doing and everything. And I'll put a link to the playlist for the original videos in the comments below. But take a look at this video, and it's basically those videos just all sped up all into one. Big thanks to Bob Lee. He donated the cherry wood for this rocking chair, and really, without him, I couldn't have done this. And also Guy Dunlap at Guy's Wood Shop. He allowed me to use his lathe to turn these long 35-inch spindles, I think they were. And so without those two guys, I couldn't have made this project back then. So enjoy the video. So a lot of things I really love about this chair is it's still holding together after almost 3 years, and the way that this cherry wood is darkened up, and the cupping of the seat is really very subtle when you're touching and feeling it, but it really does make a big difference when you're actually sitting in it. And that is another thing I really like about this chair. Not only all that stuff, but I made it. And that's the most satisfying thing about this chair is I made it. Yes, it was a copy from another chair, and it's not my original design, but you know what? I made it, it's mine, and I love it. And I use it quite often. I keep it in my bedroom. I put my shoes on every morning sitting in this chair, and I just love it. So I wanted to reintroduce this video and this video series, and just kind of show you then and now, and I really hope you enjoyed it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next time.